Hi guys, today I'm going to unbox a lightning to USB cable and an Intenso power bank. So first we're going to unbox the lightning to USB cable. Here's some paperwork. And here's the lightning cable itself. So we pull this paper over here and this one too, so we can get the lightning cable. So we'll put this aside. And now let's unbox the Intenso power bank. Here's the power bank, here's its charging cable, and here's some paperwork too. So this is a micro USB cable, and it is charging itself from this micro USB, and here's an out port, a USB. So I bought this one for this power bank. And as you can see, this is a rose gold Intenso, and it is 5200 mAh. So I'll unroll this cable to charge up the power bank. So we'll plug in the micro USB to charge this up, and here are 4 LEDs, which means when 4 LEDs are turned on, there is 100% charge. So this can approximately charge your phone like 2-3 times. So let's test these two together with my iPhone. Let's do it. First, I should plug this in. Then I should plug my lightning cable into my iPhone, and as you can see, it is charging. And here on the right side is a button to turn this on. So that's it guys for you today. Hope you see you in the next video.